Hello, listeners. I am Neha, and welcome to our special 650th episode of our podcast, Here and Now. This journey has been extraordinary, filled with insightful discussions and expert speakers providing insights on insurance. Your support has been the heartbeat of this podcast. Let's dive into today's special episode that brings to you latest buzz from the insurance industry. Our first story today from BizBuzz highlights that the International Financial Services Centers Authority, also known as IFSCA, is developing a groundbreaking regulatory framework for catastrophe bonds, also known as CAT bonds, in the GIFT IFSC. This initiative aims to attract global capital and position India as a key player in the international insurance linked securities market. A high level working group has already outlined a comprehensive roadmap to develop India as a hub for these specialized financial instruments. This strategic move could not come at a better time, as emerging risks such as wildfires and cyber threats continue to reshape India's insurance landscape. CAT bonds offer an innovative way to transfer risk to the capital markets. The GIFT IFSC provides an ideal ecosystem with its tax benefits and operations in US dollars, making it particularly attractive to foreign insurers. This development not only strengthens India's financial infrastructure but also creates new opportunities for investors while enhancing the nation's capacity to respond to catastrophic events. Up next, we turn to a story from the Indian Express, which reports that the Himachal Pradesh government is making significant strides in agricultural risk management by pushing for a weather based crop insurance scheme. This initiative represents a crucial step forward in protecting farmers from the increasingly unpredictable weather patterns caused by climate change. Weather based insurance differs from the traditional crop insurance because it pays out based on weather parameters such as rainfall, temperature, and humidity rather than on actual crop yields. This approach offers faster claim settlements and reduces the need for extensive field assessments. For farmers in the mountainous regions of Himachal Pradesh, where traditional assessment methods can be challenging, this innovative approach could provide a much needed safety net. This initiative reflects a growing recognition that climate resilient agriculture requires equally resilient insurance solutions that can respond quickly to weather related challenges. Our next story from the Times of India. The Karnataka's health scheme has taken a step by including intravenous immunoglobulin or IVIG therapy for Guillain-Barré syndrome under the Ayushman Bharat Arogya Karnataka insurance program. This represents a significant advancement in healthcare coverage as IVIG therapy is essential for treating this autoimmune disorder that affects peripheral nerves and often follows infections. This proactive inclusion demonstrates a strong commitment to ensuring that patients have access to specialized life changing treatments. The new coverage provides for up to 100 grams of IVIG therapy, offering substantial financial relief for patients facing this challenging condition. While we acknowledge that individual treatment requirements can vary based on a patient's weight, this coverage establishes a crucial foundation of support that was previously unavailable. With the cost of IVIG therapy in private hospitals ranging from Rs 2500 to 4000 per gram, this initiative makes a meaningful and immediate differences for families. This move set a positive precedent, highlighting the insurance sector's responsiveness to complex medical needs and its dedication to continuously enhancing policies to better serve the public. And our final story from The Hindu focuses on the phase 2 launch of Medicep, a significant development in health insurance coverage. Starting February 1st, this enhanced program offers a reduced monthly premium of Rs 687 while increasing insurance coverage from Rs 3 lakh to Rs 5 lakh. This improvement in the benefit to cost ratio makes quality healthcare more accessible to a wider range of beneficiaries. The expansion of benefits is particularly noteworthy. Beneficiaries can now opt for knee and hip surgeries in private hospitals, addressing a critical need for many elderly patients. The program also offers cashless treatment at empaneled hospitals with an impressive 2,516 treatment packages included. In emergency situations, treatment at non-empaneled hospitals will be reimbursed, providing flexibility during critical moments. With a 24/7 call center and grievance system in place, The program demonstrates a commitment to both comprehensive coverage and customer service. And with that, we wrap up our 650th episode. We hope you found these news stories informative and insightful. At Here and Now, we are committed to bringing you the latest and most relevant updates in the insurance world. Thank you for being with us on this incredible journey and for many more episodes to come. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.